7 Best Cryptocurrency Mining Stocks to Invest in 2024. The cryptocurrency industry, once marked by extreme volatility, has entered another period of growth, fueled by the continued surge in digital asset prices and the introduction of innovative financial products like the first-ever spot cryptocurrency exchange-traded funds, ETFs. The industry has found itself in the middle of a new boom cycle. This resurgence has also been supported by a more crypto-friendly regulatory environment under the leadership of President Donald Trump. Rising crypto prices have translated into greater profit margins for miners, and as a result, many cryptocurrency mining stocks have become some of the best-performing investments in the market. While these stocks remain volatile and come with a significant level of risk, speculators are betting that the following 7 cryptocurrency mining companies can maintain their upward momentum and continue to perform well. The following article delves into these companies, their strengths, and their strategies, providing an overview of the best cryptocurrency mining stocks to consider in 2024. Marathon Digital Holdings is one of the most prominent Bitcoin, BTC, mining companies in the United States. The company stands out because of its highly integrated operations, where it not only operates its own mining pool but also develops its own hardware, firmware, and mining infrastructure. Marathon aims to achieve the highest levels of efficiency by controlling as much of the mining process as possible. Revenue growth. In the most recent quarter, Marathon reported a 35% year-over-year increase in revenue. This growth is attributed to an increase in the company's energized hash rate, which grew by 93%. Hash rate is a key metric for measuring computational power, and a higher hash rate means the company can mine more Bitcoin. Bitcoin reserves Marathon mined 2,070 BTC in the last quarter. In addition, the company took advantage of favorable market conditions by raising $300 million through a convertible senior note offering. Marathon used this capital to purchase an additional 6,210 BTC, bringing its total Bitcoin holdings to 26,747 BTC. Future plans. Marathon continues to reinvest its profits into expanding its mining operations, positioning itself as a leader in the growing Bitcoin mining industry. Core Scientific is a blockchain infrastructure provider that specializes in digital asset mining. The company operates custom-built mining facilities and offers blockchain-related software solutions and hosting services for third-party miners. It primarily focuses on Bitcoin mining, although its hosting services provide a diverse revenue stream. Bankruptcy. Restructuring in January 2024, Core Scientific emerged from Chapter 11 bankruptcy after implementing a successful restructuring plan. This included cutting $400 million from its debt, allowing the company to focus on future growth. Bitcoin production. Core Scientific mined 1,115 BTC in the most recent quarter, which marked a 62% decline from the same period a year ago. The decline is partially attributed to the Bitcoin halving event in 2024, which reduced the mining rewards for miners. Additionally, network difficulty, the measure of how hard it is to mine Bitcoin, also increased, affecting the company's output. Diversification strategy. Core Scientific's focus on both self-mining and providing hosting services helps reduce its reliance on Bitcoin prices. This diversified approach ensures the company remains flexible even during periods of high volatility in the crypto market. Riot Platforms is another major U.S. Bitcoin mining company that focuses on expanding its hash rate and mining infrastructure. The company has grown significantly in recent years by making strategic investments in mining hardware and expanding its operations. Consistent Bitcoin production. In the latest quarter, Riot mined 1,104 BTC, maintaining its production despite the Bitcoin halving. The company has proven resilient and continues to produce a strong yield. Bitcoin reserves. Riot holds 31.4 BTC per 1 million shares, demonstrating its commitment to accumulating and holding Bitcoin on its balance sheet. This strategy could pay off if the price of Bitcoin continues to rise. Hash rate expansion. Riot increased its hash rate by 159%, bringing its total hash rate to 28 exahashes per second, EHS. This increase in computational power will enable Riot to mine even more Bitcoin, positioning it as a leader in the industry. Gross margin. Riot has maintained a 42% gross margin, even after the halving, showing that its mining operations are highly efficient. CleanSpark is a Bitcoin mining company with a unique focus on sustainability. The company operates mining facilities powered primarily by low-carbon energy, which helps reduce the environmental impact of its operations. This focus on green energy has attracted a growing number of environmentally conscious investors. Operational hash rate growth. As of October 2024, CleanSpark had reached an operational hash rate of 30 EHS, with plans to expand to 50 EHS by 2025. This scale-up will allow CleanSpark to significantly increase its Bitcoin production. Bitcoin production and reserves. The company is mining over 650 BTC per month and holds a reserve of 8,701 BTC. The company's long-term strategy is to build a sustainable mining infrastructure while accumulating more Bitcoin. Energy efficiency. CleanSpark's commitment to using low-carbon power for its mining operations is a significant competitive advantage. As global scrutiny over the environmental impact of mining intensifies, CleanSpark's green energy focus is likely to provide a buffer against potential regulatory challenges. Acquisition strategy. CleanSpark recently acquired Riot Infrastructure, a leading Bitcoin mining firm. This acquisition boosts its infrastructure and strengthens its position in the rapidly growing mining market. TeraWulf is a Bitcoin miner that is committed to running its operations with clean energy. Over 91% of TeraWulf's Bitcoin mining is powered by zero-carbon energy sources, which is an increasingly important factor as environmental concerns continue to shape the cryptocurrency industry. Sustainable mining operations. TeraWulf has positioned itself as a leader in the green mining space by ensuring that the majority of its energy comes from clean, renewable sources. This eco-friendly approach appeals to both investors and regulatory bodies, which are focusing on reducing the carbon footprint of the cryptocurrency industry. Self-mining capacity growth. TeraWulf grew its self-mining capacity by 100%, reaching 10 EHS. This increase in mining power will enable TeraWulf to mine more Bitcoin and take advantage of favorable market conditions. Revenue growth. Despite a 43.4% decrease in Bitcoin mined during the quarter, TeraWulf reported a 42.8% increase in revenue. This increase was driven by higher Bitcoin prices and the company's growing mining capacity. Cost management. Power costs per mined Bitcoin have risen significantly, but TeraWulf's clean energy approach could help reduce its long-term operational costs as more renewable energy becomes available. Hut 8 is one of North America's largest Bitcoin miners and operates across a diverse range of mining and data center activities. The company has self-mining operations, managed services, hosting, and traditional data centers spread across multiple locations in North America. Bitcoin reserves. Hut 8 holds 9,106 BTC in reserve, which is a strong indicator of the company's ability to benefit from rising Bitcoin prices. The company also mined 234 BTC in the most recent quarter. Diversified operations. Hut 8 operates 10 Bitcoin mining sites across North America and 5 high-performance computing data centers. It has also developed energy infrastructure assets in Ontario, which further diversifies its revenue streams. Strategic partnerships. The company has a 15 EHS colocation partnership with Bitmain, which includes a planned 2025 deployment of next-generation miners. This partnership strengthens Hut 8's position in the market and supports its continued growth. Cipher Mining is a technology-driven Bitcoin mining company based in the U.S. The company focuses on developing and operating data centers, with significant investments in expanding its mining capabilities. Expanding hash rate. Cipher is investing in the expansion of its Odessa, Texas data center. By the end of 2024, the company expects to reach a total self-mining hash rate of 13.5 EHS, a significant increase from its current levels. Bitcoin reserves. Cipher holds a substantial 95,459 BTC on its balance sheet, an increase of 600% from the previous year. This massive reserve positions Cipher to benefit greatly from future Bitcoin price increases. Strategic acquisitions. Cipher recently acquired 2 additional data center sites in Texas, Barber Lake and Rivet. These acquisitions will expand the company's operational footprint and further enhance its mining capacity. The cryptocurrency mining sector has proven to be both highly profitable and risky, as it is heavily dependent on the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. However, the companies discussed here, Marathon Digital Holdings, Core Scientific, Riot Platforms, CleanSpark, TeraWulf, Hut8, and Cipher Mining, have demonstrated strong growth potential and resilience in the face of market volatility. As the cryptocurrency market continues to expand, these mining stocks are well positioned to benefit from rising digital asset prices and increased mining efficiency. While these investments are not without risk, they offer investors a way to gain exposure to one of the most dynamic industries in the financial markets.